guys, just popping on with a quick showcase video. So for those of you that are curious to see what all the cards looked like in that big project that I just did for the March Bust Your Stash Challenge, I wanted to do it separate because it would have been way too long to try to do it with the recap video where I explained what I had done for this project. So this is going to be little bits of voiceovers here and there sprinkled throughout the video. But it's pretty much going to be set to music, and hopefully you guys enjoy. There's a tip I want to bring up right now, or in a couple cards, trying to put out tips for people that are new to the card making and crafting and stuff, because this one here is a card where I had done a light colored ink on the orange cardstock to do a subtle background. So I just wanted to point that out where you can see that yellow ink. And there's a few more throughout the video that I'll show you. But hopefully you guys enjoy, have fun, and I will definitely be checking in with you as we go through this video.
I could sit in this chair for 1,000 years and watch the woods consume the neighborhood, watch the ambitions come and go, surround me.
Just showing you this one because I think that little guy, he is so cute, that little smiley face. That's all I wanted to show him for.
Songs on the porch, sit here watching the daylight wane, leaving little trace and even less memory. I just want to be still. I just want to be still. Sometimes I wonder if I'll ever be free of these things that are weighing heavy on me, that keep me from doing or going on, knowing the sun comes up, I go back to sleep. In our so-called liberation of self, we've only bound the shackles more tightly. Free up your mind and start thinking a good thought. Free your mind and be still. Free your mind and be still. Free your mind and be still. And be still.
And here I'm just pointing out another example where I did a light colored ink on the background, and then for that one I added a little bit of glitter glue. So mixed it up a little bit, but again, easy way to build up a background.
Up to this point, it will carry us far beyond it until we are nothing. Sometimes I feel like we're just words on a page. Close your eyes and be still. Close your eyes and be still. Close your eyes and be still. And be still. Come meet me by the river under the willow tree. I love you, gold and silver. Come sit a while with me. Here in the twilight singing, here in the evening breeze. Here tonight I'll be waiting. Come sit a while with me. Go on, easy rolling, slow wind blow, and all the birds fly home. We can be lighter than feathers on the water. We know
I'll come back to this one in just a second, but this was one of my favorites, and it also was one of the hardest ones to put together. But I'll chat about that again in just a little bit. So this one was my favorite, and again, like I said, it was a challenge, but I used the green elements that were common in the two papers, tied it in with this flower, and then I used the sentiment also in blue to tap into the blue on the right side of the card. So the thing that I did on the challenging papers was to find colors that they had in common or were complementary. And these two at the top here with the toucans or parrots, I think it is. And again, it was finding the common colors where there was green on the right paper, green with the leaves. Then I left the sentiments in a combination of, I think, brown and green. And then on this one, I used the green paper on the right, and again, using just these little elements to tie it together with the flower and the matching inks. And that way I pulled on the greens and then a little bit of the gold love from Lizzie to pull it together. That one I just talked about. This one is the similar tiger paper, and I used the purple you see in that little flower. I used that, tied it in with matching purple and love from Lizzie and 3 sequins, and then I left the sentiment blue to match with the blue on the right side of the card. And so again, finding that common element to bring it together. These two were tricky. There was some green in the one paper, so I kind of tapped into that and the gold with the love from Lizzie. But again, using green to bridge the two, put green on the flower, and then finished it off with some gold sequins to tap into the gold glitter elements that were embossed onto the paper. So this one was in the landscape, this one is in the portrait, and the only thing different, like you see, I did this little glasses embellishment, I used that little fish, and again, using some gold love from Lizzie to tap into the gold, and I kept the sentiments brown on both. But those were the hardest, so thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out. Hopefully you had fun watching the recap. Take care, stay safe, and then I'll definitely be seeing you in the next video.